Dear students, welcome to another training session of extremely famous and most user-friendly accounting app, QuickBooks Enterprise 2024 version. As you know that we have started a series of lectures about customers' accounting activities in QuickBooks. In today's lesson, you will learn how to track multiple jobs for one customer. Let's start. For this purpose, just come to the customer center. You can see here we have a lot of customers with different balances. So the first question is why we need to track multiple jobs for one customer. The answer is if you are working with one customer on multiple projects and you want to track each project accounting separately, you want to see the invoices of each project and the payments of each project separately. So in that case, QuickBooks is giving you one option to track multiple jobs for one customer. In order to help you in understanding this thing clearly, I need one customer with zero balance. So let us come and create one new customer. So I will create one customer as Safari Mall. Customer name and the company name, legal name is the same. Okay, so I have created one customer here with zero balance. So this customer actually we are supplying, they have multiple departments in their mall. So we are supplying them computer equipments. This is a separate department, and there is another supply we are making to them is the medicine to their pharmacy department. So now I will create multiple jobs for this customer. For this purpose, I will right click on this customer and here the option available, add job. In the job, I will write the name of the job as computer department. Okay, so this job is added here under the Safari Mall, and another department I will create for them, add job. This is the pharmacy department. Press OK. So as you can see now, this Safari Mall has two different departments. One is computer department and one is pharmacy. Now in order to explain you how the accounting activities of different customer jobs is happening in the QuickBooks. So for this purpose, I will quickly create some invoices and some payments and some credit notes, so to help you in understanding all of this. So let's start. First we will create invoice in the computer department. $101 this laptop, 3 pieces, and the other laptop 102, 2 pieces. Save and close. Then there is another invoice. So I have generated here 3 invoices for this computer department. As you can see, whatever invoices I am creating, it is changing the balance of this main customer Safari Mall. It is adding there. Now in the pharmacy department also I will create some invoices quickly. Ten pieces for each item, and save and close. Let us create another invoice quickly. So the medicine, this is pharmacy department. So 2009, this is the medicine, and 2010, this is also medicine, and 2011. These three codes I will sell to this customer, 20 pieces of each. Save and close. So now we have here in computer department 3 items and 3 invoices and 2 invoices in the pharmacy department. So if you check here, use calculator. So here the pharmacy department, we have a balance of 2422.14 plus in the computer department we have 13,440. When you total this, it is coming 15,862.14. So this is the 15,862.14. This is the total receivable balance for Safari Mall. So it is telling you QuickBooks the total balance of the main customer and also the receivable amount from each department separately also you have here. Now just save in your mind that you have 13,440 receivable from computer department, 2,422 from pharmacy department, and total 15,862 is the receivable balance. So now I am going to process one payment from this computer department. They have make one payment for the first invoice. So the first invoice is 8295. This is the amount they paid in cash, and the reference number of the receipt voucher is 1089. Here I have QuickBooks has already selected this invoice 8295. Then just I will press save and close. When I am receiving payment, this balance is decreased, and the total balance is also decreased for Safari Mall 7,500, and this balance also it is decreased to 5,000. So like this I will receive one payment from this pharmacy department who has now outstanding 2,422. So I will receive one payment from them. For the first invoice they will pay me 657.30. It will be the check payment, and the check number is 20146, and save and close. See, now from 2000 something the balance was there. Now after processing this payment, it is showing only 1,764. That is this invoice which is still unpaid. So as you can see here, we can track multiple jobs for one customer in QuickBooks. So tracking multiple jobs for one customer you have learned now, and this is a very good feature, very useful feature what QuickBooks is providing you. No other accounting application in the market will provide you all of these features what QuickBooks is providing you on one platform. One more very important thing, just keep it in your mind that if you are tracking multiple jobs in for one customer in QuickBooks company file, so be specific. If you are receiving any payment for computer department, so receive that payment here. Don't receive that payment in the main customer or in the other customer job. So like if you will receive one payment in the Safari Mall, the main customer, you are receiving one payment. So what it will do for you, it will calculate the total balance of the customer, that is the Safari Mall. It will be 100% perfect. But the receivable balance for this computer department, it will be wrong. Similarly, the pharmacy department, if you are receiving any payment for computer department and you will enter this in pharmacy department, so this balance will be wrong. The total balance will be the same, it will be correct, but the other things what you want to track separately, each department, their payments, their receipts, their returns, everything you want to track separately. I hope you have perfectly learned all the things we have discussed in this session. If you find this course beneficial, give this